Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia. Today, we're diving into a truck that's making waves in the transportation world, the 2025 Scania truck. This beast combines power, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the top choices for commercial and long-haul drivers. So, let's get right into it and see what makes the 2025 Scania stand out. First off, the design. The 2025 Scania comes with a refreshed exterior that's both aerodynamic and modern. It's sleek yet strong, with a front grille that's more aggressive, while the LED headlights give it a futuristic vibe. The build quality is top-notch, built to withstand harsh conditions while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. Scania's attention to detail with its design isn't just about looks, it's about performance and fuel efficiency too. Speaking of performance, let's talk about the engine. The 2025 Scania offers a range of engine options, but all of them are designed for maximum efficiency and power. Whether you're going for a 13-liter or 16-liter engine, you can expect an incredible balance between power and fuel economy. These engines are highly efficient, with Scania's unique fuel-saving technologies built in, allowing for longer trips with fewer stops. Scania has really pushed the envelope in terms of lowering CO2 emissions without sacrificing the performance drivers rely on. It's a win for both the environment and your bottom line. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Scania is all about comfort. Scania has designed the interior to provide drivers with an experience that goes beyond just driving. The ergonomic seats, spacious layout, and intuitive dashboard make long drives far more manageable. There's plenty of room to stretch, and the materials used are high quality, ensuring both durability and comfort. Plus, the advanced infotainment system is user-friendly and provides everything you need at your fingertips, from navigation to truck diagnostics. One of the most notable features of the 2025 Scania is the cutting-edge safety tech. The truck comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These systems not only enhance safety for the driver but also help reduce the risk of accidents on the road. Scania is definitely setting the bar high when it comes to safety standards in the trucking industry. In terms of handling, the 2025 Scania is incredibly smooth and responsive. Thanks to the updated suspension system, this truck offers excellent stability, whether you're hauling heavy loads or driving on uneven terrain. The driving experience is very comfortable and less fatiguing, even during long shifts. The improved steering and maneuverability make it a breeze to navigate tight spaces, which is something